Here's a 1969 Chevrolet Chevelle, just in here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Particular car is badged up as an SS 396 car. We do not have paperwork, FYI, to prove that it would be a true SS or not. What I can tell you, though, is it does have a 396 underneath the hood, and it is a 1969 era correct 396, casting number 3955272 on it. The 396 is paired with a 700 R4 automatic transmission with overdrive, so definitely a plus from what it would have came with back in 1969. So you get the overdrive transmission. It is also very nicely equipped: power steering, power brakes, and AC also. I have not had the AC blowing cold or anything like that. It's a little cool where we're at here, but all the components are there, belts hooked up, everything seems to be underneath the hood. Now, the one thing that I do want to let you know about on this car, the paint, as you can see, it has a nice luster to it. Shows well here in the video, but you get up close, you are going to have some imperfections. As you can kind of see, some crazing here. There's some real, what necessarily call them, maybe light pimples, what have you. It is an older paint job, starting to show its age. There's a spot on the trunk too where it's kind of checking and cracking a little bit. I'll show you that also. I mean, nice driver quality car, absolutely. Car sounds great, very nice interior, looks good underneath it. Just the paint does show its age a little bit, so I want you to be aware of that. Go ahead, check out the still pictures. You can check out that casting number on the engine. You can check out the engine compartment, some up close pictures as far as with the paint, the interior and everything. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on that. That'll take you to uniqueclassiccars.com, where you can check out the still pictures. Of course, you can call us too if you got any questions you'd like to talk to us personally. 507-386-1726. Be happy to help you out with this car. Black stripe up and down the side of this. I'd say it's kind of a cranberry color, red to cranberry color. Not a bright fire engine red, but kind of a rich looking paint color on it. See the SS style wheels, and you can look up and down the car. I mean, it's not all nicked and chipped or dinged as far as, you know, down the sides of the doors. It's just like I said, the paint does show its age some. We'll get around to the trunk, show you that spot. Interior vinyl bench seat, column shift car, aftermarket stereo and gauges underneath the dash there. Now, we do consider trades. Financing is available, and of course we can sure assist you with getting this car to where you're located at. We help transport cars all over the country every month, so don't be afraid to talk to us about transportation. All right, let me get around to the back here. Here's kind of another one of those spots where it's kind of cracking or peeling as far as the paint goes. The paint, like I said, could use a little TLC, but it still shows nicely for a nice driver. Or maybe you want to take it to the next level. That is up to the next customer. Once again, still pictures. You want to check out the interior undersides. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com, or like I said, look down below this video in the description. There's a link. Click on that. That'll take you there. Phone number 507-386-1726. Like to talk to us personally? Let's go ahead and pop this driver's door. Check out the interior a little closer, and we'll fire this up. See the carpet, door panels. Those are all in nice shape. Vinyl's in nice shape on this one. Not ripped or torn. Really worn much at all. Rear seat also. Headliner appears to be in good shape. Let's go ahead and start this and get rid of that buzzer. Now the blower fan does work. That is on. See the stereo system aftermarket and those gauges I was talking about. Very nice sounding car when without that high idles in here. Nice little rumble out of that 396. Dash appears to be in nice shape. Slip around to the back so you can hear this one run. There you hear it. Great sounding 396. And remember, that is paired with a 700R4 automatic transmission with overdrive. And again, take a look at the paint. You can see it's got a nice luster to it. Like I said, just some of those blemishes that it's kind of pointing out. I'm going to go ahead and pause this video a second so we can pop this hood and let's check out that 396. Alright, here you go. Check out the engine bay. First of all, nice and neat and tidy under the hood. Got some chrome dress up valve covers, air cleaner. There's the AC. Like I said, it appears to all be there. Power steering, power brakes. Also notice the AC has been converted. Nice smooth running 396 V8. Also very nicely equipped, obviously. There you go. 1969 Chevrolet Chevelle. 396. Automatic with overdrive in it. Also nicely equipped. The number, once again, 507-386-1726. Of course, look down below this video in the description. Click on the link that's going to take you to uniqueclassiccars.com. Check out the still pictures where you'd like to look at this car. And of course, trades are considered. Financing is available. And we'd be glad to assist you with the transportation of this car to where you're located at. Look forward to hearing from you.